Hey, the holidays are coming, and that means we have to keep the little ones entertained, and it doesn't have to cost you a lot. YouTube sensation and author and master crafter Sophie Maletsky. She is known for her fun, decorative crafts that can be made from simple items from around the house. And Sophie, please help us keep our children entertained because we have a lot of family and friends coming over. And it's going to be really hard.
Well, and Thanksgiving is one of those times when you want to, like set up a big table of crafts, let the kids go at it because you're making a turkey, you're making all the fixins, you're doing all that stuff. Keep them out of the kitchen just because it can get tense in there, but set them out at a big table full of crafts and let them have at it.
I love it. Okay, so what are we going to do?
So today we're making, you ready for this?
Oh, that's adorable.
This is a napkin holder.
How cute.
But do you know what it's made out of? Can you tell?
Well, I see bits and pieces here, and then when I look at it, it's clothespins, right?
It's clothespins.
Awesome.
Right? So the first thing you're going to have to do, though, is pull these apart. So we're not going to use them the way that they come in the package. We're just going to pull them apart. And, I got 36 of these at the Dollar Tree, my favorite place.
Yes.
And you just need 28 of these if you're going to make one of these turkeys. So the basic shape that you need here is you take it, right? We took it, it usually goes like this, right?
Yes.
We took it apart. We're going to flip it and go back to back, right?
So it makes a feather.
Exactly. Then we're just going to glue right down.
And question, can you use the glue stick?
So here's the thing. You don't have to, you could totally use glue dots. You don't have to use a glue gun. It's just for us, it's nice and quick.
Yes.
You know what I mean? But of course, for little hands, you can do regular glue. You can do glue sticks. You can do glue dots. You can do tape even.
Okay.
It's up to you, whatever you want to use.
But if you have older kids, though, and you know that's going to hold.
Totally will.
You want a sturdy napkin holder.
Exactly. Or you can do them ahead of time for the kids and then have them assemble.
That's a great idea.
So I've got these great pens. They're called Uni Posca pens. I love these things. And these are what we use to paint. They're so great because what they are is they are paint in a pen.
And it's big, so it doesn't take a long time.
Right. Even Layla could do these. You know what I mean? Lila, excuse me. She could just go to town on these,
I
right?
love that. Okay,
right?
great.
So you paint them all up, and then there's one other shape you're going to need to make because you're going to have 11 for each side, so you're going to do 22. You're going to do 10 yellow, and then, of course, you can do 6 in orange. And, of course, you can do whatever color you want, right? It's up to you. But see this? This is the
base.
Base, exactly.
Right there.
And so that base is really important, but it's a different shape. So what we do is we take...
And these are larger clothespins.
They're just regular size. No, these are the same size.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, just the same size. But what we're going to do is we're actually going to glue it from the base, and we're just going to go base to base.
Look at you. Okay, yeah, because you painted it, and it looks so seamless when you do that. Look at that. But I could see now what you just did.
So you take that base to base, and then you just glue them, four of those together. And then that will give you your base.
Okay, got it.
So now we got to glue it all together, right? Okay, so you've got your orange ones, and basically all you're doing is you take them like this, and you glue them on like that, right there.
Cute.
Okay.
So you get a nice little fan.
So you get a nice little fan, right? So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right there.
Okay.
So then the next trick is to add the yellow feathers, and all we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of glue on either side here, and then tuck them in between, like that.
Fantastic.
See that?
Oh, and they kind of actually fit.
They do.
Well, I see.
Isn't that fun?
Secure.
I mean, they just kind of go zoop right on in. And so we just do that all the way.
A little extra hold there with the hot glue.
And that just gives you that. Right?
Awesome!
So now we just glue it to the base. So it ends up looking like this.
That's so cute.
And, of course, you're going to need 2 of them, 1 for each side.
Okay.
And now we're just going to take some glue here on this side here.
And did you fortify that, too, in the back a little more with some hot glue?
Yeah, exactly. That's just got a little extra hot glue.
Okay.
And then we're just going to stand it up and glue it in place and just hold it for about 30 seconds until it sets.
Okay.
And so
do you want me to hold that while you show us the rest of the turkey?
Absolutely. So the rest of the turkey is done the same way. We have another one of these feathers.
Okay.
But this time we're going to use them this way. And as you can see here, I've got that last 28th clip, and I painted the yellow and the orange on the tip.
Okay.
So that using some big snips, I can snip right here.
So cute.
And then I end up with my beak and my gobbler.
Oh, cute.
Right? So we're just going to glue the beak and the gobbler on. And they just go, here's your beak.
There's that.
And then, of course, you got to have your gobbler, right?
So cute.
And then I just use a little Sharpie pen for the eyes.
And Sophie, if people, I imagine a lot of viewers are going to want to review this again.
Sure.
And also look for more inspiration as they head into the holidays as well. Where can they find your videos? Plus, I know you also have an amazing book called Sticky Fingers where you have crafts with duct tape.
Yep, believe it or not. Crazy. But we've got a website, www.sophie-world.com. And the website has not only all the YouTube videos, but it also has a link to step-by-steps. So if you're not one of those people who wants to sit through a whole video, you can just look at the pictures and follow the step-by-step. And we should be glued there,
Yep,
right?
it's tight. Let's go ahead and put that turkey on.
Let's put our turkey. Okay, I'm going to let you put the turkey on.
Okay, all right. I'll hold that. You put that glue there.
Put a little bit of glue there.
And I know
set
Tej showed everybody some of the other amazing crafts that you brought here. This is just honestly the tip of the iceberg, or even less than the tip of the iceberg, because you are so incredibly crafty, Sophie. There's a reason you're a YouTube superstar. All right, everyone, check her out, Sophie Maletsky. There you go. It is a napkin holder for Thanksgiving, something little kids can do. Thank you so much, my friend. I am thankful for knowing you.